Hi, welcome back to my channel. My name is Ashley and today I'm going to be unboxing the Sephora Play Box for October 2019. You may see me wearing this in the next few videos. I've been sick and not filming videos for the past week or so, and so I'm trying to get everything filmed right now and up. So sorry that I look the same, but it is life. So let's get to unboxing. Lately I have been doing a recap of the prior month. So let's start with that. We'll start with last month's Sephora Play Box, which I really liked. So let me open up my little paper thing. All right, so it came in this nice light blue package. Okay, so first off, the perfume sample we got was Libre, or Libre, I guess is how you would say it, from YSL. I liked this so much. Yes, I think I might want to buy it. I am gonna hold on to this little cardboard thing because I like it. So when I'm ever looking for a new perfume, this would be one I would consider buying if that day ever comes. But I do like that. I would highly recommend at least going and checking it out and smelling it, seeing if you like it. The next thing I had received was the Caution Hourglass Mascara, and this is horrible. I tried it again. I had tried it a few months ago when it first came out and did not like it. And then when I received it, I thought, okay, I'll try it again just to see. It is still horrible. I hate it. I will be passing this on to my daughter. I tend to do that if I've used a mascara once. Maybe gross, but that's what we do. So, she'll be happy to get that. I think girls' lashes can use whatever. I don't know. They have an easier time than us, but I thought that was absolutely horrible. Like probably one of the worst mascaras ever. All right, the next product was the Benefit Give Me Brow, and this was in the color 3. And I love it. I got actually a sample of this, I think in my Ipsy as well, and I love this. I'm going to continue to use it. I've used it forever. I know it works for me, so, oh sorry, this is from my Allure box, so you know which order I'm filming these in. But I really do enjoy this, so this is a A+ for me. I would highly recommend at least trying it, if not buying it. All right, oh, I didn't bring down one product. Okay. The product I didn't bring down, I'll post a picture here. It's the Amika Bushwhack Beach No Salt Wave Spray. I actually haven't tried that. I've been trying a new system with my hair and I just didn't get to trying that. I will say I've never tried an Amika product that I haven't liked. So I'm sure it will be good, but I'll let you know in the future when I try it what I think. But that is the one product I did not try from this box as of yet. All right, so then the next product is the Fresh Sugar Strawberry Exfoliating Wash. I love this. I thought it was really good. I definitely would purchase this in the future. I think it was worth trying. I'm not sure what the cost is. It doesn't have the cost on these sheets, unfortunately, but I like it. I mean, I really enjoyed it. So I would consider repurchasing that in the future. The last product is the, I was just gonna say FabFitFun, First Aid Beauty Pores Be Gone Matte Primer, and I've almost used up this entire bottle. I thought this was absolutely great. I definitely would consider purchasing it for full size. I thought it just made my skin feel nice. I don't know if it necessarily stretched out my makeup wear or anything like that, but it definitely gave a nice, good moisturizing base before I put on foundation. So I highly recommend this. I think it was really good. At least go out and try it and see what you think. So that was everything in my September Sephora Play Bag. So now let's open up the next month, October, and see what is in this box. Hopefully some fun stuff. So this month is kind of a darker blue. So last month was like this light blue. Again, I'm not sure what to use these for. Let me know what you use them for. Because they're like plastic. Like I don't know what they would be good for. I don't know. Okay. Let me open up my little flyer here. Looks like we got 2, 4, 6 products this month. No perfume sample, which I know we didn't get a perfume sample 2 months, August, which I kind of missed, and we did get one last month, so maybe they're doing every other month. I don't know. So let's just get started. The first thing is I didn't get any items that say picked for me. Oh, so it says we got 5 items and then a bonus item. So I'll do the bonus item last. Okay, so we got 5 items. So the first item is this Tarte Quench Hydrating Base Primer. They must really think I need a primer because I get one, I feel like, in every box. But that's okay. I enjoy trying them, especially if they're moisturizing, which this I would hope would be, being that it says quench. But that's that. I don't know what else to say about a primer, but that. All right, and then the next thing in my box is by Urban Decay. It's the All Nighter Makeup Spray. I love this. I love having a travel size. So this I've used up many in the past, so I know I like this already. So that's always great to have. If you haven't tried it, you should. The next product is by Shiseido. It's Waso Clear Mega Hydrating Moisturizer. Let's see. So it is this itty bitty tub, but it looks to be like gel-like. Yeah, it's almost silicone actually. Like really silicone-y. Silicone, is that a word? Silicone-y. Okay, it's a word now. Ooh, it does smell good. What is that? It says a secret ingredient in this clear gel is carrots. I don't know if I smell carrots, but that is interesting. I'm excited to try this. I think it feels really, I mean, it doesn't feel like silicone, like I don't feel a slip, but that was my first texture that popped in my head. But yeah, that's interesting. I'm excited to try that. All right, the next thing in my box is by Origins. It's the Mega Mushroom Relief and Resilience. And I don't know anything about this. I have tried quite a few. Oh, it's very liquidy. I have tried quite a few Origin products, but this not one of them. It says, what is it for? It says to shake the bottle to activate, pour a grape size amount into palm and use fingertips to apply to clean skin. That's a lot. It must be like a essence, but they say lotion. I don't know, but it's very, well, actually, now that I've shaken it, you can't hear it anymore. Let's look. Ooh, it smells good. I don't know, I'm afraid to pour it out. It does seem like it's a liquid, but I don't know, we'll see. This, so I don't know how you can pour a liquid into a grape shape, but that's interesting. Anyways, that is this. So we'll see what that is like. The last thing in my box I actually did not receive. It is the Youth to the People Green Tea Spinach Vitamin Superfood Cleanser. So I'll post a picture of it here. It is not in my box. I have already contacted Sephora and they are sending me out a box of samples. So I'll share those maybe in my wrap up for next month in November, but I've never had this happen. I'm kind of disappointed I didn't get that product. They actually aren't sending me that exact product because they were out of it. So they're sending me a few other things. But again, I've never had that happen with Sephora. So it is what it is. At least they were very responsive and I am getting something in the mail soon. The last bonus item they did talk about is by DQ Hue. It's the Apple Cider Hair Mask. And this looks really good. It feels nice. I enjoy hair masks, so I will like this. I don't know what to say about a hair mask. It's not like the most exciting product to receive, but I am excited to have it. So that is everything in my Sephora Play box for October. Let me know what you received and if you think this box is worth it. I don't know, I'm disappointed not to receive all my products this month, but again, that's life sometimes. So as always, thank you guys so much for watching and I will see you in my next video.